Okay, this is the pound dollar. So cable has pretty much been up to test 135, $1.35 previous structure. Didn't quite get up there. Same sense we had at the same time we had the dollar index testing a key level, and PMI data came out. The numbers were good, so we're seeing a bit of a reversal at the moment. Just looking for some intraday levels to be tested, so we're looking at back down to previous structure. Could be around 132, 132.70 is what we're ideally looking for. We could actually get down a little bit lower to about 132.43 to 132.50. So that's what we're looking at as a reversal. I think first target to the downside would be T1 would be 133.20, and then if we can break 133.20, then we'll be looking for about 132.50 to 132.70 to test the previous structure. Just to drill down to a 1 hour chart, just to have a little look to see what we're talking about here. If we can just pull this across and just highlight that area of interest, it would be this here. So come down to test this previous level, previous structure, ultimately. So that's what we're talking about here in terms of a decent reversal, at least, or a decent correction on the pound related pairs, in this case a pound dollar. If it can do more than that and turn into a proper reversal, then yeah, we be looking for a decent drop back down to the low 130s potentially. It's all dependent on the dollar index and what the dollar is doing as a whole, really. So you can see the 38.2 retrace 133.18, so that's why we're targeting 133.20 as our first target. And then obviously if it can break down, it likes the 50 numbers, so we'd be looking for 132.68, so 132.70, which is a 50% retracement based on this last swing low, swing high, based on the last move up, basically. So pull back as a retracement. Then if it wants to just be a correction for another leg up, we'd expect it to react off these fib levels and then go up. And obviously that we highlighted the previous structure, which is looking at the previous swing highs that we had, where we attempted a few times to break above 133, didn't quite get there, so that's formed a nice bit of support, and that also ties in nicely with the 50%, so that's why we are targeting that to the downside for a nice reversal and a nice correction at the very least on the pound dollar. Hope you do catch this, and I hope you do make some money on this trade. If you want to trade with us and get in touch, you can join our Telegram group. We'll post everything. The links are all in our bio, so it's all free. So just join a community of like-minded traders.